Amaury Rivera. I live in Puerto Rico, and back in 1988, I was working in a nightclub, and there was a musical group there. One of my cousins wanted me to photograph the musical group, and she loaned me a camera with some film. On my way back home, I encountered two small beings, two small strange men, which I didn't think were men from outer space. And they took me somewhere where there were other people besides myself, other human people, like from Puerto Rico, I guess. From here, another human being showed up. He claimed to be from a distant planet. He was dressed in black. He had a dark skin, but he was not a Negro. He had a dark skin, but he was not a Negro.
Are you not positing the idea that those vehicles contain, beings who are, maybe like us?
And but anyway, there is one image there that shows black people getting off.
So people with dark skin getting off.
Not dark, black.
Black skin.
Really black. Yeah.
Now, you just heard it from a scientist who worked at NASA. You just heard it. 7 foot at least. That's a midget when you talk about these particular beings. The real height is 9 plus, 8.5 to 9 to 12 feet tall. Master geneticists. So you can imagine what their bodies look like. Let me go ahead and go in, because a lot of people are talking about this, and this stuff is about to be revealed very shortly. And it's going to change everything. It's going to change everything. So you have many different life forms in this particular galaxy. You have insectoids. You have reptoids. You have everything you can, anything that can exist does exist. Anything that can exist does exist. Process that.
From here, another human being showed up. He claimed to be from a distant planet. He was dressed in black. He had a dark skin, but he was not a Negro. He had a long black hair up to the shoulders, and he spoke to us with the mouth, verbally, and no telepathic speaking. He showed us various projections, which looked very real, the projections, and he informed us about a whole bunch of things that are even still incredible to me. Then he